What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today I'm going to show you how to do a front flip on a mattress, on a bed, step by step. So what you're going to want to be able to do is a standing front flip on a trampoline easily and nice, dude. And be able to do that pretty easy. And make sure you're going up when you flip. Don't go out, as I talk about in all my videos. Like I said, don't go, when you flip, this is my biggest part. A lot of people, they'll go like straight down like this, or they'll go like straight out, right? So make sure you go up, shoot. So when you're running, you can do this running or standing on the mattress. Obviously it's easier running, but run. This is called blocking. So what you want to do is your hips are in front of your, your feet are in front of your hips, and then what that's gonna do is launch you straight up. All right, when you're doing it, your feet are gonna be in front of your hips. You're gonna launch straight up, and then tuck, and then land, and just keep practicing. You'll get it, and let's go. So I'll show you. So run, decent speed. You don't have to run full speed or anything. Decent speed. Just like that. All right, when you land, absorb the landing with your hips, not your knees. All right, so when a lot of people, they'll do a posterior pelvic tilt, where it's just a fancy way of saying your hips are like forward, and then they'll like land like this, and then it'll be all your knees. You won't be able to land that way, as I said in all my other tutorials. So land with your butt back, and you'll land it. Just keep practicing, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Click the link in the description for a backflip ebook. It's a really cheap backflip ebook to learn a backflip on the ground, on the trampoline, and I'll talk to you guys later. Also, click the link in the description for my Instagram. Subscribe for more videos and hit that notifications bell. God bless. Have a great day.